Chapter 7, Part 1. The Sultan of them who attain to the truth, in whom are manifested the mysteries of positive knowledge, Baha'ul Aqawaddin al-Balad. While Sultan Balad was yet a child, his father Jalaluddin was once discoursing on the miracle of the rod of Moses, which swallowed up the rods and other engines of Pharaoh's magicians, related to have been in such quantities as to form 70 camel loads, and yet that staff became no thicker or longer than before. Turning to Sultan Balad, his father asked how this could be, and to what it could be likened for the sake of illustration. The child at once replied, "In a very dark night, if a lighted taper be brought into a large room or hall, it instantly devours all the darkness, and yet remains a little taper." Jalal jumped up from his seat, ran to his son, took the child to his bosom, kissed him with effusion, and then said, "May God bless thee, my child. Verily thou hast strung a pearl for the very first water on the string of illustration." Now, sometimes it's not so drastic, but sometimes, there's at least enough appreciation to take the edge off the darkness of a place when somebody brings in truth and good behavior of some sort.